PublicRecords review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. Searching for someone. Looking for background details or public records. Services like PublicRecords promise access to all sorts of data, but most people get this wrong by focusing only on the cost of subscription and not on what the service actually delivers. Let's break down what you're paying for. First, what is PublicRecords? It's a fee-based service offering access to public records like court filings, criminal history, property records, and more. These might normally be free through government databases, but often require time and effort to navigate. A service simplifies that. You might see pricing like as $95 for a one-time report or as a month for full access. What you get: faster access to aggregated records in one platform. A user-friendly interface where you can search names, addresses, and get results quickly. Convenience if you don't want to dig through multiple government sites or ask freedom of information queries. What you give up: the data might be incomplete or outdated. Public records vary by state country. A monthly subscription may cost more than what you need if you only perform one search. Privacy concerns: you're giving the service your search queries and possibly personal info. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Define your need. Do you need one-time record or frequent access? Step 2. Compare the service price versus doing the search through local government websites, which may cost little or even be free. Step 3. Check sample reports or reviews. How accurate and up-to-date is the information? Step 4. Consider cancellation. If you subscribe monthly, how easy is it to cancel and avoid recurring fees? Most people get this wrong by subscribing as if it's all you ever need, but then using only 1 or 2 reports. The surprising truth: sometimes the value lies in paying per report rather than a full monthly plan. In conclusion, if you regularly need public record searches and value convenience and time saving, a platform like PublicRecords can be worth it. If your need is rare or you're on a tight budget, weigh selling convenience versus do it manually or a lower cost alternative. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tool reviews and what you're really getting for your money.